और ब्रेक के बाद अब आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं जहां G20 की बैठकों का सिलसिला शुरू हो गया है। विदेशी मेहमान पहुंच चुके हैं और श्रीनगर G20 की इस बैठक की मेजबानी करने के लिए पूरे तरीके से तैयार है। सुरक्षा चाक चौबंद है और विदेशी मेहमान श्रीनगर पहुंच चुके हैं।
Film tourism is something which has led to great destinations being created. We'll soon be joined by a very legendary film actor from India, Mr. Ram Charan. And Mr. Ram Charan, his Nadu Nadu dance on which the South Korean ambassador danced and became a big hero because the Prime Minister also retweeted his dance. That film was actually shot, that particular dance sequence was shot in the presidential palace of Ukraine. So there is always a two-way process. But I can tell you that we believe that in the world of globalization, in the world where we want a flow of ideas, where we want a flow of creativity, where we want a flow of unique cultures to flow from one place to another, there cannot be a better place than Kashmir with all its peace, progress and prosperity, with its unique culture, with its unique handicraft, with its unique handloom, with its unique art forms, and much of which you will see in the next couple of days. So ladies and gentlemen, I am truly delighted to welcome you. I take this opportunity to welcome the Honourable Minister, Mr. Kishan Reddy, who's one of our very dynamic ministers, and to welcome Mr. Jiten Singh, who's not merely a great minister, but who belongs to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. I would like to compliment the Ministry of Tourism for all the hard work the Minister and his Secretary have carried out. I would also like to compliment all my colleagues, particularly Mr. Singla, for all the coordination, for all the hard work. Mr. Mufti is here. All of us, all the team has worked very hard here. Our Joint Secretary Logistics is here. All of us, all of them have done a lot of hard work to make your stay comfortable, and we really wish that you enjoy, have a great break from all the hard work that many of you put in your countries and in Delhi, and may you all enjoy Kashmir as a great venue for not merely film tourism, but as a great travel tourism and a holiday destination. There cannot be a better destination than Kashmir. Just enjoy, relax, and treat it as your greatest stress buster that you've ever had. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much indeed, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, gracing the occasion is Dr. Jitendra Singh, the Honourable Minister of State with independent charge of Science and Technology, who is leading from the front, carrying forward the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission and Honourable Prime Minister's inspiring vision of a developed India by 2047. And ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together to welcome the Honourable Minister for kindly sharing his esteemed views with all of us.
Honourable Minister of Tourism and Development of North Eastern Region, our very good friend whom I have known for many years, both professionally as well as in my personal capacity, and who has been very tirelessly working over the last several months in order to make sure that the G20 series goes well. I must thank Kishan Reddy for making all of us a part of this event. It's because of him and his efforts that we are here, and we are having this beautiful event being organized in the beautiful paradise on earth. Also seated next to him, Ramchandra, who has just joined. I don't think I have to make an introduction because people come to see us because we are sitting beside him. So, you just now heard a very dynamic colleague Sherpa, Amitabh Kanji, Mr. Sinha ji, Mr. Purchandra ji, Arvind Singh ji, our Director Secretary, Vidyavati ji, who was till recently was part of our ministry, our loss is there again now. All the officials of the Ministry of Tourism, delegates, representatives from different G20 countries, the other 20 countries, ladies and gentlemen. I think over the last few moments when I was trying to capture what all I was seeing, and I was also listening to Amitabh, the first thought that occurred to me was that it is indeed a moment of rejuvenation, a moment of reincarnation. And I'm sure many of you would agree with me, at least with those who belong to my generation, that this event has actually transported us back by about half a century. And exactly 50 years back, we had another star from Mumbai who shook the lake beside the Dal Lake and sent the entire valley rocking in history. And his name, as you rightly guessed, was Shami Kapoor, who virtually made Kashmir his home. And sometimes I wonder, I tend to think, but for Kashmir, whether Shami Kapoor would have been what he ultimately wanted to be. So that is the magic of Kashmir. You see the movie Kashmir Ki Kali, Janwar, Rajkumar. He, I think, also not only became a star out of Kashmir, but contributed immensely personifying Kashmir to the rest of the world. And many like him would stay here for months together. The iconic hotel we have sitting beside us, Lalit Hotel, was one of the favorite abodes where they would stay at that time. In those days it was known as Owaisi. And the entire shooting of the film would be done there. I remember one of the movies, Dasla, was virtually didn't walk out of the company. And many beautiful songs would be made up in the hotel. As Dunia Usi Zamana Usi was actually done in the bar of Hotel Ottawa. The old timers would remember. Mehbooba Palka Shah, the beautiful lyric written by Sahib was done in one of those rooms in Hotel. And they got some girls from the Women College to be the audience. Some of the oldies still remember. So it's virtually a nostalgic. It takes you back. And I think after that, it was also because Kashmir was professionally also, I think, the best location that a film producer or director can find, because it's versatile. You have plateaus here, you have lakes here, you have fountains here, you have snow peaks here, you have skating areas here, you have golf courses here. And it's very cost effective. You have tulip gardens here, you don't have to travel to Holland. It's just beside the hotel where some of our delegates are living. So all this made it a natural destination. And as Amitabh was saying, that the movie would actually have at least one sojourn. And in the process, it became a huge avenue of revenue as well as business. We had schoolboys and girls doing part-time jobs as extras, as clapper boys, and in Jai Jai Shri Shankar, the song, besides that temple, we had one of our local groups doing that drum beating. So it became a huge vocation actually till about 1990. And Amitabh was now referring to Bobby. But what is significant is that Raj Kapoor, just before Bobby, had experimented doing a movie in Europe, which was a great hit called Sangam, a triangular love story. And after that he came back to an autobiographical, which was good but didn't work well in the box office. So as a revenge he came back, and when he came back eventually, his natural choice was Kashmir. He didn't go to Europe, he came to Kashmir to prove that he was back. So that, I think this is something the next generation needs to be informed about, because suddenly in 1990s thereafter there was a halt. And the serious researchers of these times will realize that many of those movies which are being shot in Kashmir Valley during that time were at their wits' end. The producers and the directors didn't know where to go. One of those movies I vividly remember was Henna, the last movie which Raj Kapoor directed during his lifetime. He passed away somewhere in late 1980s. Then his progeny took over the task of completing the movie Hina. But by the time they started, it was 1989, 90, everything came to a halt. And I really recall because Rishi used to be quite in touch with me, Rishi Kapoor, unfortunately no longer with us now. They had to do a lot of search across the world to match that location where they had that earlier scene of Hina. Finally, I think they zeroed down on a location in Vienna. Now you can imagine how much of resource, how much of cost, how much of effort it would have taken. So that is Kashmir. It's not only that we sing songs out of being attached to this place, or being romantic about it, or being philosophical about it, or trying to create a myth about it. It's also that you see as a hardcore professional, you have no choice, no better option. And then I think now this is the time of revival. That's why I say a moment of rejuvenation. And the other part, which is also not much talked about, because our memory goes back only up to Shami Kapoor, maximum to Rajesh Khanna, then maximum way back to Devaran. But the first star of Bombay industry was produced from Jammu Kashmir. I know how many in this room will be able to guess it. This crorepati question. Kaun batayega crorepati? Jammu Kashmir has contributed hugely in Indian film industry. And you know who was the first star? Can anybody make a guess? Oh, Balai Sani was never from Kashmir. Balai Sani was from Lahore. He was from West Pakistan. No, KL second. Kundarlal second, who's, if you read the archives of film industry, the first who came to be known as a star was Kundarlal second. He used to perform in theatre over here. They went to Shimla as a salesman in some company. There he was discovered a PC Sarkar, who had a studio in Calcutta, because most of the industry was in Calcutta those days. Later on the film industry, Bollywood took over, and the capital also shifted over to Bombay, the national capital. Then he took him over to Calcutta, and then he of course became a singing star. Then also came back to Bombay. And in the recent times, not Balai Sani, but another Punjabi family hailed from Srinagar, and that was Ramanand Sagar. Ramanand Sagar actually is Chopra, that name adopted is Sagar. And his nephew, Vinod Chopra, is a good friend of ours. He was my senior in the college. Is now a very successful producer. He's recently made a movie called BA. So he wanted to go shooting outside the UPSC office, which I to an extent tried to help him. I think it will be released very fast. So we have contributed hugely. Yes, Om Prakash of course was from Jammu and Kashmir, as you said. So was Sundar, the other comedian. But one of the iconic stars was Rajkumar, which is hardly incorrect. He was a Kashmiri Pandit. And also Jeevan. So it's been a two-way traffic. While Bollywood benefited out of Kashmir also contributed to it. And now, if you have a revival of this, the traffic star, which I'm sure Ramcharanji is going to be the harbinger of this, the torch-bearer of this, when his leg shakes, the valley would again go steady like wind, when Shami Kapoor shook his leg. Because we can't match his leg, not Shami Kapoor's. Not everybody is born with that leg. But once the gateways are opened, you will see people even from abroad coming here, because you can't find all the locations within a radius of just 10-20 kilometers. You go from Pahalgam to Gulmarg or whatever. And even within it, you just have to sit in one of these gardens and shoot the entire film. And as Amitabh was saying, that it's synonymous with romantic cinema, it's also been synonymous with melancholic cinema. And I tell you about a single movie called Kabhi Kabhi, which was directed by Yash Chopra. On the one hand, you have all those romantic songs between Rakhi and Amitabh, and then also Amitabh singing a solo there. And then you also have the mist behind, and in a long coat, they are walking out and singing the last line of that famous poem. मैं जानता हूँ तो गैर है मगर यूं ही, मगर यूं ही. Because Sai's many lyrics were adopted into the movies much after the movies were played, because this is part of, I know, I can go on and on this subject for one day. Sai produced two magnum opus, one was Parchaiyan, the other was Talkiyan. Those two majmoe nazmon ke he wrote when he was just 22. Later on these were adopted in the movies. So this was one of the songs which were adopted from one of his books, which is actually a melancholy song. कि जिंदगी तेरी आंखों में सारा दिन ना गुजरती की शाबाद हो भी सकती थी. अब वो नहीं भी याद है कि मैं सोचता हूं कि तू चाहे मुझे बोल, मैं जानता हूं तो गैर मगर यूं ही. And his style was known to leave halfway. Similarly, many of his other lyrics, चलो एक बार फिर से इसमें भी बन जाए, they were adopted, and this is also one movie. So the same song, you have both romance and you have melancholy. And the backdrop was being provided by Kashmir, the same location. You didn't have to use steam showers in the studio as you use if you have seen a movie being shot. It was happening naturally. You just had to walk to a different place. There was a lot of mist. And Amitabh just walked out with a long coat, also signifying melancholy and sadness, and sang that one last line of the song in a different location, in a different background. So that, I think, is only a cinematographer, someone who is deeply involved in the business of filmmaking, will be able to appreciate. You have a win-win situation over here, a win-win location over here, and many of the producers I have known personally who would come here with a very little cast, with a hero and they would open boys and girls like here, and they would do the rest of the job. And so many movies we've seen those choruses happening. So I think there's a huge, huge potential. I'm glad. I must compliment our friend, Honorable Minister for Tourism, Kishan Reddy ji. They are coming out with a national strategy on film tourism, and therefore when the film tourism happens, it will be two-way traffic. More and more of youngsters. We have a very handsome lot of youth over here who are looking for breaks. So they'll also find a break in Bollywood, Tollywood, everywood. Not in woods, but in glamour wood, because woods has a different meaning. So there will be two-way traffic. At the same time, our bakery in 1960s was known to be next to London Bakery, the Boulevard Bakery, the Kashmir Srinagar Bakery, because we had so much of influx of the foreign tourists that our local boys and girls learned to speak English and learned to prepare English cakes. So it's a multifarious enrichment which is going to happen. I must compliment and thank Kishan Reddy ji and his team for giving us this opportunity. We were waiting to happen, and under Prime Minister Modi, I think this is the best times happening for India, for Jammu and Kashmir. I'm sure those of the friends who come here from other places would go back as messengers and tell them this is how it appears. When I was entering in, some media person asked me what is the difference. I said the difference is that earlier on, if you had an event like this over here, a Hartal call will be made from Islamabad and the shot will be shot in Residency Road, Srinagar. Today, Hartal call is being made from there, from here. But people going about with their activity, buzz there, and in fact, the common man has moved on. And I can say this with a certain amount of confidence. I have been a student of Science, we learn not to talk about it without evidence. If you do a quiet survey, the common man walking in the streets of Srinagar today wants to move on. He's seen two generations having got lost at the altar of these incompatible times. The youth of Kashmir is highly aspirational, highly forward-looking, very intelligent, and very, very aspirational. He can see the enormous opportunities unfolded by Prime Minister Modi across the country, and he does not wish to miss the bus. So for God's sake, I think it's the responsibility of all of us, and we owe it to the common man of Kashmir, more so to the youth of Kashmir, to create such kind of a milieu that we, at the end of the day, do not regret having been unjust to our children, having done injustice to our next generation. Thank you very much, and once again I compliment you.
Thank you very much indeed, sir. And ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together to welcome our very special.
नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं धार भी रफ्तार भी। मैं हूं आपके साथ अबू हुरैरा। आइए खबरों को देखते हैं फटाफट अंदाज में। मंच सज चुका है। आज घाटी के लिए बड़ा दिन है। आज यहां G20 की बैठक होने जा रही है। तमाम तैयारियां मुकम्मल। मेहमानों की मेहमान नवाजी के लिए घाटी पूरी तरह तैयार। सिक्योरिटी से लेकर मेहमानों के खान पान तक का खूब ख्याल रखा गया। केंद्रीय मंत्री जितेंद्र सिंह ने कहा कि श्रीनगर में हो रही G20 बैठक भारत के लिए जम्मू कश्मीर के बदले हुए परिदृश्य को दिखाने का एक अच्छा अवसर है। जितेंद्र सिंह ने कहा कि G20 की बैठक प्रतिनिधियों को जम्मू कश्मीर में हुए बदलाव को स्वयं देखने का अवसर देगी। श्रीनगर नगर निगम आयुक्त अतहर आमिर खान ने कहा कि G20 आयोजन हमारी अर्थव्यवस्था के लिए बहुत फायदेमंद होगा और आने वाले प्रतिनिधि दुनिया में हमारे राज्य।
Honorable Union Minister, Government of India, Science and Technology, Atomic Energy and Space, respected Jitendra Singh ji, G20 Sherpa 2023 Sri Amit ji, Secretary Tourism Sri Arvind Singh ji, G20 Chief Coordinator Sri Ratavarsan Shimla ji, friends, respected delegates from G20 member countries and invite countries, distinguished representatives of international organization, all the missions, all the stakeholders of tourism and hospitality sector, senior officials of the Government of India and Jammu Kashmir, stalwart of the Indian film industry, popular film star and producer, my friend Mr. Ram Charan Teja garu, and a successful film producer Mr. Dilraj garu, and friends from media. In India, the spirit of Atithi Devo Bhava that exhorts us to treat the guest as a divine. On behalf of 144 people of India, especially our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, I wholeheartedly welcome you all to Srinagar. This city is one of the India's most beautiful and picturesque centuries ago, and picturesque city. Centuries ago, our ancestors invoked the sun god. Significance of tourism. I would like to highlight the beauty and cultural richness of the post destination is Srinagar city. Before Abdullah ji and Jitendra Singh ji in detail, they spoke about Srinagar is one of the India's natural beauty and oldest city. The beauty of Srinagar, the paradise on earth, has been spoken and written about since our ancient times. The 12th century author Sri Kalyana, in his book named Gandhi, wrote that the gods often descended to sit on the banks of the lakes of Srinagar. Friends, due to its unique beauty, the place has captured the imagination of filmmakers and artists throughout the years. Many famous Indian and international films and documentaries were shot in Jammu Kashmir after so many years. For the next few days, our aim to revive film tourism not only in Jammu Kashmir like it used to be the past but across India. I am sure you will be mesmerized by the beauty of Jammu Kashmir during your stay in Srinagar city. Friends, we are gathered here to explore the immense potential of film tourism and its contribution to our vibrant tourism industry. India offers every type of film location to filmmakers. We have majestic mountains, valleys of flowers, sun-kissed beaches, ocean, rivers, cold and hot deserts, spiritual locations covering all faiths, wildlife and natural beauty, thousands of heritage monuments, and many beautiful destinations. Friends, we are also charting out a comprehensive action plan for tourism, for economic growth and cultural preservation. In fact, India will be a one-stop for film production as we have beautiful locations, talented technicians, state-of-the-art post-production facilities, expert teams that can create amazing visual and sound.
नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं धार भी रफ्तार भी। मैं हूं आपके साथ अबू हुरैरा। आइए खबरों को देखते हैं फटाफट अंदाज में।